Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be doing the weekly setup in the Dollar Tree planner, which is in this MOTERM B6 cover that I have hacked to turn into a traveler's notebook by adding strings. So this is what it looks like. I'll link to that video in the description box below if you want to check it out. This is the actual Dollar Tree planner. The vinyl cover has been removed. And I am going to be working on the Scrapcraftastic weekly planner challenge. The prompt that I'm going to do for this video is autumn. So I'm going to do that here. This planner will be given away at the end of the year, hopefully, if I can get all of the weeks completed in it by then. If not, as soon as I get the weeks finished, I will be doing the random drawing for this planner. I didn't show you what I'm doing. I'm trying to go fast and excuse the dryer. Kids are doing laundry right now. I'm going to use these leftover stickers for autumn. Again, autumn is the prompt for the 2022 Scrapcraftastic weekly planner and journal challenge. And sunflowers say autumn to me, so that's what I'm going with. This is leftover stickers from the late Victoria Thatcher. And yeah, I'm going to be using those. So I'm also going to be using this yellow washi tape from Simply Gilded. This is probably not your typical autumn spread, but I don't think I'm ready to go with all oranges and browns right now. So we're just going to play a little bit with a little color here. And I'm also going to be doing some of the, did I just tear that? Yep. I'm also going to be doing some of the Dollar Tree setups as shorts. So make sure you check out my shorts and leave a comment so that you can be entered to win the planner once it's complete. And that is how you can enter. Make sure you leave a comment on the video to be eligible. Let's see what we can do with the stickers that we have left on this kit. Okay, so I'm going to use the date covers from the kit. So let's pull these off and start placing these down. So let's see about the header area. I think I'm going to use these strips across the header. May have to supplement with a little bit of washi tape. And I'm just going to go across the fold again to help stabilize this and make sure it stays together. See if I can trim this. Ugh, so crooked. Why can't I cut straight? Wow. Let's do this. We're gonna patch that up because I just made a mess out of that. There we go. That's a little bit better. All right. You need to do something here. And I don't know what I want to do there. What about this? I don't use this often. Let's see if I have any sunflowers left over in here. Okay, here we go. So I think I can supplement with these sunflowers. Even though they're a little lighter, I can use some of these that I went in with marker and darkened a little bit. So let's do that here. And let's keep going. Also use this doll from COCO'S Vision that I have out. So she's all in black. And that's weird how that's different on from one page to the next. Maybe we can use these two. And I won't use the one with the bug on it. So I'm gonna do that. Let's do this. Hope I'm not making a mistake here. Then I'm gonna take some boxes from here. I probably need to put something down here too. Well, let's use these. That one's a little big. Let's use something a little smaller. Then go back to the florals and get this other one that I had colored in. And use that here. Okay, so I think I need to color in some more of the florals. So I'm gonna get a Tombow out because I need more florals on this spread. And I don't remember what marker I used, so I'm just gonna play around and see if, nope, that's not good. Well, I might have used that and then came in with some brown. That's a very bright orange. Here's a brown that's kind of dark. So it's not those. Let's blend this out. Okay. Let's see what we can do. This looks even more fluorescent orange. Just blend it out. Let's see what this looks like by itself. So yeah, you can add color to your stickers if you got markers and you want a certain look, then this is an option. Can add some depth and shading to them depending on what it is. I think that's enough of a variety. I don't think I'm going to use the leaves, so we should be good. Now these don't seem to be sticking down very well, so let's press this down. Let's move these over out of the way for now and continue on. Okay, there's nothing up here in this box, so let's fill it out. And you can see the marker went through, but it's okay because we're not going to be looking at that side. It was just a little saturated. And I might put one of these in between. Let's do it like this. So we get a little cluster, and then maybe a cluster over here. That is it for this weekly setup. Again, the prompt was autumn. I used a printable kit from the late Victoria Thatcher. The actual sunflower stickers are from the seasonal pages. The boxes are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. If you would like to play along with the challenge, all of the prompts are available in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.